Wow. Look at the rotation in that updraft. Oh, that is pretty, no doubt. Wow, yeah, that thing's rotating like crazy still. That thing is rapidly rotating.
Go home.
Massive rotating updraft. What a supercell. Hey, we're in the town of Chester, Nebraska. There's a tornadic supercell just exploded over the last 15-20 minutes. That's just southwest of here. We're going to be out in here very soon. There's the updraft starting to come into view. Another 10-15 minutes, we should have a real good look at what's going on under. There's the radar signature on it.
Right.
Developing tornado right now. No, it is okay. I will. Okay, I sure will, Dave. What a beautiful supercell. Soon to be a tornado producer. It's going to have a large tornado on it very soon. What a beast. What a monster supercell. Right here. Sorry, soon to be tornadic. Oh, tornado on the ground. Tornado. We have tornado. Get us up on a hill and stop. Watch it. And then come right at us. Let's make sure we get enough views so we can see it. Yeah, if you can find a place to pull over, do it. No, that was just a brief touchdown. Okay, yeah, go ahead and go farther. Let's go farther. Still a debris cloud on the ground. Keep going. David, tornado. And one. Yeah, it's got to be real close to the city of Republic. It's like you get a filament tube that comes down and hits the ground and stirs up debris, and then it dissipates, and another one forms, and so forth. Shit, lost it. See the occlusion happening? The RFD cutting into with the clear slot right there? Watch it. It's coming down. There it goes. Trying hard. Wow, look at that. Tornado. Tim Samaras hopefully getting up there and getting close to it.
Debris.
It's there. We have debris. We have a debris cloud. Today, a significant cone tornado in progress. Hello, can you hear me? It's a multiple vortex tornado. There's a funnel to the right of it, a long skinny funnel to the right of it. You see the funnel to the right? Yep. Long skinny one? This thing's not done yet. Thing is quite a beast of a supercell. The tornado's dissipated, the base is raising up on it actually. Yeah, show's probably over with this thing. But you never know. Tornado back in the distance here. Just coming, getting ready to touch down. Just now forming.
Oh, I ain't getting out here. No way. Some serious CG. Wow. Still hanging there. Super nice.
God.